He laying on the stair steps. Yeah, there's Draco. And he has decided today that he's going to sleep on the stairs. And was down a few more stairs. He's been up and around, and now he's back, and he's decided, I don't know, the stair steps are the place for him today. It's not very convenient. On the table that my kitty Draco has decided to stay there. And here she comes. And Pebbles is extremely playful. Baron is standing here staring at me like, Mom, what are we doing? This is boring. Mom, come play ball. And the little gray kitty Archer, he seems to have, I think he went out in the kitchen. And Draco here has made himself extremely comfortable on my computer table where I was sitting. Oh, there's Archer. He's right here. Okay, so I think I'll hold the camera onto the books and see how it goes, because it's a little fun around here. 2. Oh, I should carve my red nose. I've had this cold though, and I have rosacea, so my nose is red. And I'm going to check on the kitties. And they're both sleeping on the step out here, and they seem perfectly happy. They don't seem to... Oh, Draco's getting up. Coming in. Archer. There goes Draco. Archer? You coming in? What was that? I just heard something. I don't know what I heard. Are you coming in, Archer? Come on. Here he comes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I heard something again. I don't know. Maybe it's the window or something. Yeah. Cold is a lot better. Cough is not so much better. Hi, Draco. Anyways, I need to get a tea. Oh, I'm getting a headache because of the coughing, the pressure from the coughing. Anyways, I felt pretty bad this morning. The cough was real bad. Actually, I felt more like I had a cold again this morning. It's the trouble, you always have to be careful that it doesn't come back. But today's July 17th, pardon me. I'm going to put that in there. July 17th, 1966. That was when I was born. So, that means I am 51 today. And I should do a video because I'm 51 today. And you're only 51 once, right? What was I going to do? Put on decal. Okay. So, long drawn out 2-minute video saying happy birthday to everybody whenever you have a birthday, and I guess that's all. And I hope you don't have a cold on your birthday. Actually, I hope you don't have a cold at all, obviously. It sucks. Anyways, off for now.